Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering how to improve your communication skills in life and at work. We've all heard about the power of effective communication, how it can unlock the success in our life and at work. But how can we harness it and how can we use it effectively? In today's world, effective communication has become more critical than ever. We need it in every interaction. It influences our experiences and it grows from it. It not only shapes our personal interactions and relationships, but also plays a key role in our careers. Today, we'll be exploring why good communication skills are essential, the role of maintaining a positive and realistic mindset, and how to improve these skills. So let's dive in. Let's summarize. We are understanding, practicing, and improving our communication skills in our life and at work. The three key points into doing so are: 1. Recognizing how effective communication skills are the cornerstone of success in both life and at work. They can foster trust, collaboration, and career growth. 2. Coupling good communication skills with a positive and realistic mindset can help us overcome challenges, embrace feedback, and build meaningful connections. And 3. Practice actively listening, communicating with clarity and conciseness, and seek feedback from others to continuously improve your communication skills. So let's embrace the power of communication, practice these key steps, and unlock a world of opportunity. These were some tips and examples on how to improve your communication skills in life and at work. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering the art of public speaking, how to deliver a powerful presentation. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive and realistic mindset. See you next week.